These three are kind of special. I like them. But I need a fourth. Ugly hats for the win. So I got a bunch of wood here. Any idea what I should do with this? Last time I showed you mallet. This time I show you whatever this is. Which one's cooler? I have to make things. This month is the zombie weapon challenge. I have to make things. So, zombie weapon challenge. Man, I gotta make things. Just make stuff already. This here was something I made. Make it! Goes with my chisels. Maybe tomorrow I'll clean. The new lawnmower's in the way. Got some cleaning to do, but what do you want me to make? What do you want me to make?